Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share a new VPN app that is available on the Google Play Store. This app can help improve your connection and add an extra layer of protection while using the internet. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your device. This is where you can search and install Android apps. Once you're on the Play Store, search for Robot Tunnel VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app by checking the app name and icon. After confirming, install the app on your device. When the installation is complete, tap on the Open button. Before we continue, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. When the app opens, you'll need to do a few simple settings. First, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select the option to check for updates. This allows the app to update its resources and configurations for better performance. After the update is complete, go back and choose a server. You can select a server manually, or you can choose the auto server or global server option. For this guide, you can pick any server that works best for your location. Next, go to the network settings. For today's guide, select the All Country UDP option. This option is commonly used and works in many regions. If this option does not work for your country, you can tap here and select your country name from the list. After choosing the network, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and your connection will become active. That's how you can set up Robot Tunnel VPN to improve your online connection while browsing the internet. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.